Okay guys, so if you want to braid your hair but you don't know how to braid, I'm going to show you this really quick and easy technique. It looks just like a French braid but you don't actually have to braid. You're going to start off by taking a section of hair, and it's on the left hand side, but you're going to kind of sweep it a little bit across to the right. You're going to move this hair out of the way and you're going to take a teeny tiny piece of hair like that. And then you're going to attach these together, but don't go in the middle. I want you to kind of bring this hair across to meet that section. And then this piece is going to be your anchor. So as you put the elastic in, it's going to anchor down. So I've just got a small hair elastic. And I'm just going to tie that in fairly tightly so it doesn't move. And that's your first piece. And I'm then going to just take my fingers and kind of give this a little bit of volume. I'm going to go up really high today with the dowel. She really suits sort of like that really big hair. But if you didn't want to do this bit, you don't have to. I'm going to sweep the next section using any spray that you need just to make sure that it's all kind of like static free. And this piece is going to come across this way, and you guessed it, you're going to move this hair and just get a little teeny tiny piece. And that's going to be your anchor. So this is going to meet that. So don't bring this one across. This one meets that one. And then you're going to put another elastic in. And again, I'm just going to use my fingers, create some volume from the sides and the top, but also from the center as well. So again, you're going to take a section from this side. You're going to bring it around. Take a little section of hair as your anchor and pop an elastic in there. And again, tease it out. And I'm going to keep doing this left and right all the way down. And then I'll show you kind of what we're doing as we get to the nape of the neck. As you're coming down to these bottom sections, I'm still taking from the left and right, and then I'm coming right to the other end and really trying to make sure that this hair comes up to meet that section like that. And that's going to help you cover up all the elastics that you're putting in. Going to give you a little 360 now. So from the side we've got that nice sweep. From the back you've got that big chunky braid that looks like a French braid, but it's actually not. It's done with elastics. Back to the front. So let me know in the comments if you like this style, and I'll see you again soon.